Welcome back, friends. In the last episode we discussed about pointer in C. In this episode we discuss more about pointer in C. In this episode we focus the topic pointer arithmetic in a precious manner. So let's we start. A pointer in C is an address which is a numeric value. Therefore, you can perform arithmetic operation on a pointer. Just you can on a numeric value. There are four arithmetic operations that you can be used on pointers: plus plus, minus minus, plus and minus. Plus plus is known as increment by 1, or minus minus is known as decrement by 1. So with the help of example, let's we see the use of pointer arithmetic. To understand pointer arithmetic, let us consider that pointer is an integer pointer which points to the address 1000. Assuming 32-bit integer, let us perform the arithmetic operation on a pointer. First of all, we declare a pointer p and then p plus plus. After this operation, the PTR will point the location 1004, because each time PTR is incremented, it will point to the next integer location, which is 4 bytes next to the current location. This pointer will move to the pointer to next memory location without impacting the actual value at the memory location. If PTR points to a character whose address is 1000, then the above operation will point to the location 1001, because the next character will be available at 1001. With this statement, we are increasing or incrementing a pointer. We prefer using a pointer in our program instead of an array, because the variable name which cannot be incremented, because it is a constant pointer. The following program increments the variable pointer to access each succeeding element of the array. So let's take an example on incrementing a pointer. First of all, we declare an header file, then we have to declare a constant variable now we take an array array name is where, and we are initializing this array to the elements in the next line. We take a variable any pointer. Now in third line, pointer is assigning the variable address, or you can say array address. Now with the help of loop, variable index 0, starting index 0, because array index is starting from 0, and I less than equal to max, less than max, I plus plus. In this statement, printf address of where %d /n equal to %x, comma I, comma p. Next line, in next line we have to copy this line and edit this line. Now we can change address. In place of address we can write value. Now at the end of this line we can increment our pointer, return 0, because our program return type is integer. Now this output, address of where 0 0 0 is this. Now if you want to print the value, we are not changing the format specifier here, so this will affecting our results. Now you can see in the first line, this is the address and this is the index and address. This is the index and then value, index, address, this is the index and this is the value. Now this is the index, this is the value, this is address, and this is the index and this is the value. Now you can see with the help of index, or you can say with the help of pointer, or you can say with the help of address, we can access the value of any array index and its values. No. Thus we can implement this program by decrementing a pointer. We can use p minus minus in this example, and the loop will be from maximum to 0 and decrementing I minus minus. Another thing is pointer comparison. Pointer may be compared by using relational operators such as equal to, lesser than, greater than. If p1 is a pointer and p2 is a pointer, is used to point a variables that are related to each other, such as elements of the same array, then p1 and p2 can be meaningfully compared. With the help of example, we can check or modify the previous example by one incrementing the variables pointer so long as the address of which it points is less than or equal to the address of last element of, of the array, which is address where square bracket max minus 1. So let us take an example. We can change here p lesser than equal to address of where square bracket max minus 1 now the example is the same as the previous. So what will be the output of this program? Now this output is the same as the previous outputs. So we can write this in place of previous old. Another thing we discuss in the chapter of pointer is array of pointers. Now before we discussing the concept of array of pointer, let us consider an example which is use an array of 3 integers. Let us take this example. Suppose we are erasing the concept of pointer, so we can erase this line, I less than max I plus plus, not incrementing pointer. We are not working on address, so we are removing this line. Now this is complete program. Now you can run. So we are not using pointer, so we are using here where array under in the square bracket we can use I is the index variable used in this loop. So this is the value accessed by index of an array. With the we are not using here the pointer concept. There may be a situation when we want to maintain the array which can store pointers to an integer or char or any data type available. This is the declaration of an array of the pointer to an integer. This is the declaration: int pointer p, in a square bracket we can write max it declares ptr, or you can say p is a pointer, as an array of max integer pointer. Thus each element in p holds a pointer to an int value. The example uses three integers which are stored in an array of pointer as follows. So let us take an example. In this example, we can cut this line and we can write below that p is a pointer and I in the index. In this index we are assigning address of where index I, assigning the address of integer. Now let we take this loop again. Now we can access the value of where with the help of pointer, so we can use p here. Now you can run. You can see when this code is compiled and executed, the output is produced that is in front of you. You can also use an array of pointers to character to store a list of integers or string as follows. That is in front of you. If we are removing all the lines, char name is the array, have no size, but we are initializing. Promote, that's my name. Rohit, my friend name. Sunil, sorry, we are just not writing comments, double quotes here. And other name is Dinesh. Now completing with the semicolon. If with the help of I we can write names names value of names percent d and percent as I. Here we can write names now you can build and run. Sorry, this is the mistake. Integer I. Now again mistake. Oh sorry, typing mistake. Pramod, Rohit, Sunil. We are accessing three elements because maximum value is 3. 0 1 2 less than equal to. If we are using equal to, another thing is this. So this is the example. In next episode we will discuss our concept passing pointers to the function in C and return pointers from function in C. So see you in the next episodes. Till then, keep learning.